Okay, hi. Today I want to teach you how to print the star pattern using JavaScript. So what is star pattern? Star pattern is you have to create this star in this pattern. Left side pattern, right side pattern, or any pattern that you want. So this is one of the famous interview question. Maybe they want to test you the logic. So first, okay, I want to clear this one. Alright, so you have to create one of the function left star. So I want to test you about the left star first. So they are going to the left star. So you can put whatever you want number to the function, and then you try console log num, and then left star try to 5 star. And then we are printing 5, so I calling this function to console log num. So what I want to do is to print star 5 times. I try to put, for example, I want to have star. And when you try, of course you cannot do, because you are printing only one and you are not using the parameter here. So how to do? In this JavaScript, they are known as a repeat function, which is the function of the JavaScript. They are returning the string. You can repeat the string with a number count, the count number here. So when you put 5, that means they are repeating 5 times. So now they are repeating 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, because you are put 5 in this function. They are repeating the parameter 5, repeat 5 times of this star string. So how we want to do in this pattern? So you have to do for loop for let. Okay, the first condition is, of course, I want to print the first star. So I is equal to 1, and I is always true until num, because 5 also I want to print it, so I become less and equal to num, and then iterate, increase. So this one, so you console log star repeat I. So for the first loop, they are become 1. So star 1. Second loop, they iterate 2, 2, repeat 2, 3, 4, so until the number which is 5, until 5. So I try to clear, and then got it. So they print in the left side. Right. What if I want to print inverted, which is right side of the star. Right star. So what is right actually when they are pushing to this line? So what is in left line? There are empty string. So empty string is not empty. There are something called space here. So you repeat how many times? You repeat. Of course, the first string, there are 4 empty space and 1. Second, there will be 3 empty space, 2 star. And then until there are no, and then 5. So what time, how we going to do is, of course, num minus I plus. So what happened here? You see, empty is empty. You are repeat 5 minus 1. You repeat 4 times of space plus star. Second loop become 2. 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 and so on. So what happened here is, so it's a, let's start. You see. So what if I want to invert this one? Start with 5. So of course I start with 5, which is number I. So what happened? Of course 5. This is always true until the number and I minus minus. So what happened here is, what happened here is you want to do downside here. Okay, so num there are downside. So 5 is it 0? Sorry. So there are I is num until the 5 4 3 2 1. I don't want to include 0, so I make more than 0. So what happened? So invert. So this one you can change by parameters. So for example, I will become 9. So that will be 9 times. If 3, of course 3. So yeah, this is all. Thank you.